Welcome back to our channel. We are back with more decorating videos. We appreciate each and everyone who has continued supporting our channel. We are excited to be back. In this video, we will be decorating a boho themed cake. We will be showing you how to make a textured effect base using buttercream and a scraper.
Do you know how much I love you?
The cake has been crumb coated and refrigerated. I'm adding on my second and final coat of buttercream.
And we just sing along, and I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
I like to start with a large scraper to spread all the buttercream evenly. I use a small scraper to smooth the sides and get sharp edges.
Don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever, forever, forever. I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever, forever, forever. I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever, forever, forever. I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
Before adding the texture, refrigerate the cake for about 20 minutes. We only want to texture the buttercream we will be adding for the textured effect. Pipe a triangle on both sides. Use a small scraper to blend in and add texture. I start by spreading and being messy, then I lightly go over it to smooth the texture.
My body never knows. have my back, no, no. My body never known. We keep dancing with the devil, but he doesn't have my back, no, no. My body never known. We keep dancing with the devil, but he doesn't have my back, no, no. My body never known. We keep dancing with the devil, but he doesn't have my back, no, no.
Using a brush and gold luster dust, paint the edges. With the brush, grab a large amount of gold luster dust and tap the brush to get a splattered effect. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed watching this video.